I am Pathak Shah from Modern English High School, Guwahati. Today I am going to start linear equation in two variables for class 9 students. The chapter is very easy and you have to first of all recognize what is linear equation, a standard form of linear equation. You see ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is a standard form of linear equation in two variables. Example, here you see variables are what? Why this is called linear equation in two variables? Here you see two variables are x and y. A, B, C are numbers. A is the coefficient of x, B is the coefficient of y, C is called constant. It is given in letters, but sometimes you will see like that also. Many examples of the linear equation, you see 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Here you see A means 2, B means 3 and C means 5. What type of question will be asked? You see, sometimes one linear equation is given and you have to write it in the standard form. That means in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, you have to write. Here you see one question I am showing you. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is also linear equation, but this linear equation you have to represent in the form of two variables. In the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That will be the standard form. Here what happens? 2x is there, but y is not there. How can you represent here? 2x, y is not given, so 0 into y plus 3 is equal to 0. Here you see, this is in the form of what? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 means a standard form. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 0, c is equal to 3. Sometimes question may be asked like that. 2x plus 3y plus another example I am giving, another example, plus or plus nothing is given is equal to 0. Now you see this equation you have to represent in the form of ax plus by plus c. How can you represent it? You may write like that. 2x plus 3y plus 0 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to what you got? A is equal to 2. Is it or not? You compare this equation with this. So you see coefficient of x a, coefficient of x 2, coefficient of y b, coefficient of y 3. So we are writing b is equal to 3. Constant term c, here constant term 0. So c is equal to 0. My dear students, you should not get confusion. The questions which are asked here, I am showing the type. Sometimes question may be written in the words. You have to convert it into equation. You have to translate the words problem into linear equation, and then you have to solve. Sometimes question may be asked. Some questions are given, some linear equations are given, and it may be asked. You express in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And then what is the value of a, what is the value of b, what is the value of c, that you have to mention. I think those who are following the NCERT book for class 9, This is exercise, you see, in exercise 4.1,
you will get similar problems what I am telling you. Okay, I am going to start some problem and you will understand. Here you see one question is cost of a notebook. Cost of a notebook book is twice the cost of a pen. Express in the form of linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Now, my dear students, how can you express? Suppose cost of a notebook, I have to explain like that. Here there are two items. One is notebook, another is pen. Here it is written cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. So first of all you suppose cost of a notebook and cost of a pen. Let cost of a notebook be rupee X and that of a pen be, that of a pen means what? Cost of a pen. You see, cost of a notebook is rupee 2 rupee X and that of a pen means cost of a pen be how much? Rupee Y. Or you may write like that, cost of a notebook you are taking Y and cost of a pen you are taking X. It is up to you, whatever you like. If it is not given in the question, it is up to you. Here you see, make the sentence. What is the sentence here? Cost, according to question, cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Cost of a pen. It is written like that, you see. Cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. My dear students, where you are getting is, will, was, where, there you change. Here you have to write what? Equal symbol. Instead of twice, what you are supposed to write? 2. Twice. Twice. The cost of a pen what? What is the cost of a pen? You have taken cost of a pen Y. Here you have supposed that of a pen be Y. Means cost of a pen be Y. Here, what is the cost of a notebook? Cost of a notebook, we have supposed cost of a notebook is X. So, we are supposed to write here X. This is your answer. You may write X is equal to 2Y. That I have narrated into linear equation. I think you understood. Suppose I am writing here cost of a notebook B rupee Y and cost of a pen B rupees X. Then here what I was supposed to write? Here Y and here X. Now another kind of questions I am giving you, express in the form, you see many equations are given. Here you see 2 number question I am giving here. Express the following linear equation linear equations in standard form, or in the equations in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What are the equations given? Many are given in the book, but some of those I have selected. You see 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35. Second is x is equal to 2. Third is minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Fourth is y minus 2 is equal to 0. 5 x plus 2y is equal to 0. Like that, some questions I have selected that I have to write in the form of ax plus by plus c. One thing is there. After that, you have to mention the values of a, b, c also. Better I should rub the above. The first one, my dear student, you see, answer I am doing here. Answer 1. What is given here? 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35 degree. 5 bar. Reckoning you might have been taught. There you might have seen. You compare this. In what form you are supposed to write? You write here in rough ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. In this form you are supposed to write. Or that is called standard form also. In the examination, you be ready that in the question it may be mentioned. You represent it in the standard form. Standard form is what? That is the standard form. Here, dear friends, 2x plus 3y, let it come to the left hand side, it becomes what? 9.35, that is equal to 0. Anything if you are bringing to left or you are changing the side, that means what? Their symbols will be changed. Here you see, this is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is, you have to write, this is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now you compare. What is a? Here a is equal to, you are getting a, you compare, coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of x is a, so a is equal to 2. Coefficient of y is b, coefficient of y is 3, so b is equal to 3. Constant term is c, here is constant term minus 9.35 reckoning, so you are getting c is equal to minus 9.35 reckoning. You came to know. Now second one you see, second one. You understood? No need of this portion. Here I have written. Now second one you see. Question is here. I am doing the answer here. X is equal to 2. What happens here? X. You write here X. 1 into X I have written. What I have written? 1 into X. Plus Y is not there. If Y is not there, that means what? 0 into Y. Because 0 into Y is 0. And this 2 is there. Bring this 2 to the left hand side. That is equal to 0. Here you see what happens. Do you understand? This is in the form of AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0. I think you understood. Now next question you see. Now question number 3 I am writing here. Question number 3. What is 3? Minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. What happens? Do you understand? Minus 2x plus 3y. Okay, one thing I left. Here you are supposed to write, in this case, before going to question number 3, here you tell A is equal to what? Coefficient of x A, coefficient of x 1. So A is equal to 1. Nothing means what? 1 is there. B, that is coefficient of y. Coefficient of y is 0. So B is equal to 0. Constant term is C. Here constant term is minus 2. You write C is equal to minus 2. Now third number you come to know. This is third number. Minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Dear friends, you can write like that. Minus 2x plus 3y. Let the 6 come to left hand side. That is equal to 0. Now you see, this is in the standard form. This is in the form of AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0. You tell here what are the things you are getting? Here A is equal to A, that is coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is minus 2, so minus 2. B, coefficient of y. Coefficient of y is 3, so B is equal to 3. C, constant term. Here's constant term is what? Minus 6. So C is equal to minus 6. You don't do mistake in writing the symbol. Here you see, some of the students may write 6, but that will be false. Because C is equal to constant term is what? Minus 6. Now, 2 more are there. I am writing here. My dear students, 4 number you see. What is 4 number? Y minus 2 is equal to 0. You see, x is not there. So, x is not there. 0 into x you write. Because 0 into x is 0. So, it will make no difference at all. Y is there. 1 into y. Minus 2 is there. That is equal to 0. So, this is in the form of what? This is in the form of AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0. Now you tell, please tell, A is equal to what? You understand? Coefficient of x A, here coefficient of x 0. So A is equal to 0. B is equal to 1. C is equal to minus 2. Last but not least,
Here you see question number here 5 number you see 5. X plus 2y is equal to 0. Here you may write like that 1 into x plus 2y plus 0 is equal to 0. So what happens, do you understand? Here you are getting, this is a standard form, this is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 0. My dear students, exercise 4.1, you see many questions you will get like that. That is your homework, you must do.